Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Hi everyone. I am teacher Azfa and I will teach you English. So, for our first lesson today, we will be learn about the alphabets. Okay? I believe you know all the alphabets. Okay? All right. But before that, okay, let me introduce to you what are the books that we will be using for our English subject. Okay, the first one is our English activity book that is CEFR English Year 1. And another one is our exercise book. Okay, we will be using our single line exercise book. Okay, all right. And please write your name as well as your class name. And don't forget the subject as well. And your teacher's name. Okay, let's have a look about big letter alphabets. Okay, let me show you this one. Okay, we have 26 alphabets. Okay, so we start with A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, K, L, M. This one is N, O, P, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Okay? Alright. So these are big letter alphabets. Okay. Instead of you know the big letter alphabets, so you also have to learn the small letter alphabets. Okay? How to write the small letter alphabets correctly. Okay? Okay, let me show you this one. Okay, these are small letter alphabets. Okay, we start with A, B, C, D. Okay, if you look at this letter and this letter, it's quite similar, isn't it? But it's totally different. Okay, this letter is B and this letter is E, F, E, H, I, J, K, L, M. Okay, some of you cannot pronounce the letter of M correctly. So when you pronounce the letter M, you have to close your lips. M. Okay, and then this one is N. Okay, put your tongue here. Okay, put your tongue at the end of your lips. N. O, P, Q. Okay, between these two letters, actually, different letters. Okay, P and this one is Q. Okay, don't be confused. Okay, all right. We have R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Okay, all right. Class, I hope you know all the alphabets. Okay, you have to understand, you have to remember to write all the small letter and big letter correctly. So for our first exercise, you to open your English activity book and then turn to page 2 and 3. Okay, okay, this is, okay, you just trace, okay, the letter down there. Okay, we have a letter as well as big, okay, trace, and it seems to exercise it. It show you a big letter alphabet. Okay, when you trace the alphabet, okay. All right, so that's all for today. I hope you can complete your homework. Okay, so I will see you in our next video learning. Okay, Assalamualaikum. Thank you and happy learning.